Welcome to LogJr ProRatings. In this video, we're going to show you how to pull in your Facebook recommendations and turn them into reviews here in your LogJr ProRatings profile. There's a couple ways to connect it. So if you're logged into your dashboard, you'll see that there's reviews that get pulled in. You want to navigate to Facebook. Now in your Facebook page, you'll tend to have a Facebook business page URL. And then there's also a way to get your review page. So you'll want to go into that more section on Facebook, navigate to reviews, and then grab that URL. So just copy that. And then in your profile, you'll paste that in here and save. What that'll do is that'll have our system go out and fetch those reviews. You can either manually request to fetch the reviews, and then every week our reviews will update in the system automatically. So once you've connected, you're good to go. And then once they're published, they'll publish to your LogJr ProRatings profile. This helps you be found in AI search, along with recommendations from LLMs like ChatGPT. And so all your reviews will live there, and they'll be sourced, pulling through the different various sources. We do also can pull reviews from Google, Facebook, Zillow, Realtor.com. And if you have reviews on other sites, we can bulk import them. Just send a support ticket to info@LogJrProRatings.com. Now, if you don't have your reviews turned on, there are some ways to turn on reviews on Facebook on your page. Those will be in some settings. We can send you a link to Facebook's support article. But for the most part, pretty easy to turn on. And then once you set it, you're all good to go. Thank you so much. Take care.